Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 16, BIT30803 Management Information System. We present our project developing an e-commerce platform for Case Study 1, Assadiq Gadget PARIT Raja Digital Storefront Development. Before we begin, let us introduce our team members. We have Muhammad WAFIQ, ZARIFAH SULAIMAN, Wan Muhammad HAQIM, AIMAN FIKRY and Puteri Nurfalis.
In today's digital era, there are many businesses that are facing pressure to scale, continue, and adapt online. This is because many businesses are accustomed to traditional physical operation compared to online. Assadiq Gadget is a local operating in PARIT Raja Batu Pahat in Johor. Assadiq Gadget shop currently sells electronic gadgets such as smartphone, charger, earphone, smart device. However, Assadiq Gadget still relies entirely on walk-in customer and manual inventory tracking. This has resulted in a reduction in market reach, efficiency, and ability to meet the expectation of modern consumer today. This project has a main objective, which is to design and develop a digital storefront for Assadiq Gadget using the OpenChat platform. With this digital storefront, it allows Assadiq Gadget to have new features such as secure online payment, warranty and return management, automatic inventory monitoring, and advanced product search filters. With the implementation of these features in Assadiq Gadget, it can increase customer trust in Assadiq Gadget and facilities shopping at Assadiq Gadget. With this system, it also helps business a lot in reducing operational error, increasing efficiency, and expanding business network to the whole world. In this project, there are a project scope including developing important modules such as product management, order processing, payment integration, and low stock alert. There are also plans to add features such as AI-based recommendation or advanced logistic management, but are excluded for now but can be considered in future upgrades. This project is important because it benefits not only Assadiq Gadget but also UTHM students and the community by providing a reliable e-commerce platform solution, promoting digital entrepreneurship and supporting local economic growth.
So hello everyone, my name is Muhammad FIKRY bin EZANY BAKHTIAR and my matrix number is DI240094. So the Assadiq Gadget application was carefully developed to meet its goals by integrating modules, setting up the database and running tests to ensure accuracy, reliability and user-friendliness. The system helps manage gadgets effectively, improve efficiency and provides accurate information. For the design, a survey showed that users prefer bright colors, so purple and blue were chosen to make the app attractive, with black and white for clarity and a minimalist style. The logo is shaped like a mobile phone to reflect the business and it appears at the top left of the app. Next, I will briefly explain a little about the homepage of our created application. On the top of the homepage, we have a dashboard for users for them to find a search bar, shopping cart, currency and language options, and account setting. The main feature is the category selection, where user can browse accessories, device, or smart device IoT. Accessories include chargers, earbuds, and keyboards, and a slideshow of the latest gadget is also shown to keep users updated.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurfalis binti Sulaiman. I will present about the product card. After the user press the option button of their choice, they will be taken to the next page where each product is displayed in the details. User can scroll down to view the product name, price, description, available option, and the specification. For example, in the Apple product section, several devices are displayed such as Apple AirPod 1, Apple AirPod 3, Apple AirPod 4, and Apple AirPod Max. Each product entry includes image, selling price, and text details that helping customer to make informed purchasing decision. In addition, each device is offered in 5 types of variants, including both previous and the latest model. The same concept applies to other categories such as chargers, earbuds, keyboards, and others.
Now, let's move on to the product details page. After customer click on a product they are interested in, the system displays all the important information clearly. This includes the product name, brand, SKU, product code, availability, and the exact price. To help customers make confident choices, the page also shows product ratings, stars counts, and reviews from other users. On top of that, users can select the quantity, color, and storage option depending on the device, such as smartphone. For flexibility, the system also provides a subscription option, allowing customers to pay in weekly or monthly installments. Overall, this product details page ensures that customers have all the necessary information before moving forward with their purchase. Next, let's look at the payment method page. Once customers are ready to check out, the system offers 4 different payments options: bank transfer, RIDZUAN, via cash, and cash on delivery. Before making any payments, users must log in and provide their delivery address. This acts as a security step to prevent errors like wrong addresses or fake orders. Here is the example payment made using RIDZUAN. RIDZUAN is an international platform that supports credit and debit cards, e-wallets, and online banking with secure two-factor authentication. Meanwhile, BioCash is a Malaysian payment gateway that supports FPX, RedNow QR, and e-wallet. By offering multiple payment methods, our system gives customers both convenience and security, making the checkout process smooth and reliable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present about e-commerce, which is about Assadiq Gadget. So for our groups 16, we have been chosen to do our e-commerce about gadgets such as devices and accessories. That includes manufacturers like Apple, Xiaomi, Logitech, Huawei, and lastly UK products. So first of all, for the first users, they need to register first. So they need to include their first name, your last name, and their emails on the last personal details. So their password, they need to enter their password, and they can also subscribe or they don't want to subscribe, and they need to read and agree to the privacy policy, and lastly they need to continue in order to log in to the website. So the website will display your account has been created. So that means for the first time user will automatically log in into their website. So if the user want to purchase something like iPhone 16, the product will display the details of the product, which is brand, Apple, product code, SKU, and availability in stock. Availability, that means the product will display if the product has many stocks or not out of stocks, and also they will display the price and available options. There are two available options such as colors and storage. So let's say the customer wants to use dark blue, and storage they choose 128GB. Under here below, the product has the description that will tell the user the specification of the product. So on the second category, which is the specification, it tells about features in the box and the warranty. So let's say battery life, camera, chip in the box, and life warranty. It tells the products more details. And lastly, the reviews. So the guest or the login user can leave their review if they have already purchased. So let's say if the user wants to purchase the iPhone 16, they add to the shopping cart. So this is the shopping cart page. So the shopping cart page display the weight of the product, the model, the color, and the storage, which is the detail of the product, and how many quantity the user need to purchase or want to purchase. So this is the unit price, and the subtotal, and the tax, and the total of the products after West Malaysia and subtotal. So let's say if the user want to check out, they need to enter their shipping address. If they have already changed their shipping address, they can choose the shipping address on here, and they will be charged on flat shipping rate for 12 ringgit 70 sen. Lastly, they can choose their payment method. Let's say on payment methods, we have 4 types of payment, which is bank transfer, pay via ZARIFAH, via cash, and cash on delivery. So for our demo today, I'm going to choose pay via ZARIFAH. And then the customer can also see their details on what they need to purchase, they want to purchase. So let's say if they want to confirm order, and automatically it goes on the webhook of the payment gateway. So this is the recipe of payment gateway. So on here I've already saved 1 card of credit card on debit card. So we just use this credit card, and the OTP will be sent on this number. And automatically it will classify the Visa credit, and they need to purchase the price summary, and you will enter the CVV. And once they enter the CVV, it will continue to the loading page bank, and it will redirect us to the recipe collect bank. So this is just a demo bank page. So if we click the success, it will automatically say that it needs to confirm in payment. That shows the loading bar, and the payment has already successfully paid. So if the product has been placed, or product has been successfully paid by the customer, they will show this information, which is that your product has been placed. So it says you can view your order history by going to the My Account and click on history. So let's go to the order history. On here, on this page, orders, the page displays the product's information and the tracking of the products. So on here, order ID, number of products, status, which is processing after purchase, totals and date added. So if we see on the view option here, it will tell us on the invoice number, order ID, shipping address of the customer, shipping method, payment method, which is we paid by RIDZUAN, and the product details and order history. Under here, it will tell the process of the delivery or process of the order history. So moving on to the admin side, which is the need to see the order. So this is the customer that already purchased. So let's say if the admin want to insert the tracking process, tracking delivery, so they can also generate the invoice number, and then they can change the order status to shipped. They can turn on the notify customer and put the tracking number on the comment below. So if they notify the customer and already done the comment, the admin can click the add history button, and they have modified the orders of the customer. So if we go to the orders here and see that the order has been modified. So if we look under here, the new history has been added of tracking number JNT 1234567. So if we go to the order of the customer, it also has been changed, since it has been changed on the admin side. So if we look on the views here, on the order history, the customer has been notified on their tracking number. So that is all on how to create and update on the admin side and user side. So let's say if the user or the admin wants to cancel or wants to delete the order, the admin can click here and delete the order tracking or the order of the whole order. So the order will be unavailable and will be deleted. So on the customer side, it will also be deleted. So that is all for our website. Thank you.
This project successfully developed a digital storefront for Assadiq Gadget. With this project, it was able to address the limitation of its traditional business model that Assadiq Gadget faced. The system was able to improve operational efficiency and customer experience by integrating secure payment gateways, warranty and return policies, automated inventory management, and a user-friendly interface. With the implementation of features such as low stock alert and multiple payment method, it ensures customer trust in the online purchasing process with ease. Throughout the development process that we carry out, there are several challenges that we face while completing this project. Among them, we are in terms of technical integration, time skills, and the needs to ensure user acceptance. However, with this challenge, we were able to learn teamwork, problem solving, and effective system design. The strength of system lies in its complete alignment with core business needs and its adaptability to future improvement. At the same time, limitations such as lack of advanced AI-based product recommendation or global shipping support highlight areas for future improvement. For future's work scope, we may focus on expanding product usage such as personalized product recommendation using AI, integration with logistic providers, and enhanced analytics for future business decision making. Overall, this project demonstrates how to use office management information system in the form of digital storefront can transform digital retail business, increase efficiency, and strengthen competitiveness in the digital economy.